Hey guys, it's me Brian of Mortar and Pastry and today, gagawa tayo ng cinnamon rolls. Soft and fluffy with a very rich, buttery, and cinnamon flavor. Perfectly sweet, kombohan pa natin ng creamy and tangy cream cheese frosting ay talaga namang heaven sa bawat kagat. Para sa ating dough, sa isang bowl, combine natin yung 3 cups ng bread flour and 1 teaspoon ng salt. Gawa tayo ng well sa gitna para sa ating wet ingredients, then pour na natin yung ating 1 cup ng fresh milk, 1/4 cup ng melted butter, 1 large egg, 1/4 cup ng sugar, and 1 tablespoon ng instant dry yeast. Haluin muna natin sa gitna to dissolve yung ating sugar and yeast. Then from the center, going to the sides, mix in na natin yung ating flour. Once nag-form na siya ng sticky dough, transfer na natin sa generously floured surface. Masahin natin yung dough for around 10 to 15 minutes until smooth and elastic. Dahil soft and sticky yung ating dough, pwede tayong gumamit ng extra 1/2 cup ng bread flour sa pagmasa. Not more than that para hindi maging super dense yung ating dough. If naubos nyo na yung extra 1/2 cup ng flour at sticky pa din yung ating dough, you can grease your hands with a little bit of oil or shortening. Once ganito na siya ka-smooth and elastic, transfer na natin sa bowl, greased with oil. Grease din natin yung top to prevent skin from forming. Cover natin with cling film, then paalsahin natin for about 1 hour or until mag-double in size. Habang pinapaalsa natin yung dough, gawin naman natin yung ating filling. Sa isang bowl, combine natin yung 1 stick ng softened butter, 1 cup ng dark brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons ng ground cinnamon. Mix it well until spreadable, then set aside muna natin. Para naman sa ating frosting, sa isang bowl, beat natin yung ating 1 bar o 250 grams ng cream cheese. Sift in 1/4 cup ng icing sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/8 cup ng milk. Add more milk kung gusto nyo ng mas runny na frosting. Beat natin na mabuti until smooth and creamy, scraping down the sides of the bowl. Then set aside muna natin yan. Ready na yung ating dough kapag nag-iiwan na siya ng ganitong dent when pressed with our fingers at hindi ka agad umaangat. Transfer natin yung ating dough sa lightly floured surface and roll out natin ng about 12 by 15 inches. At this point, relax na yung ating dough kaya madali na natin siyang ma-roll out at hindi na rin siya ganon ka-sticky. After that, pwede na nating ilagay yung ating ginawang butter cinnamon sugar filling kanina. Then, gamit ang offset spatula, spread na natin evenly dun sa ating dough. Mag-iwan lang tayo ng konting space dun sa ibabaw para ma-seal in yung ating dough pag ni-roll na natin. Then, we can start rolling gently from the bottom going up using our scraper if dumidikit siya sa ilalim until ma-seal in yung ating filling. Trim natin yung magkabilang edges, then cut natin in half, then half again until makagawa tayo ng 4 equal portions. Cut each portion into 3 to make 12 pieces. Transfer sa baking pan of your choice, greased with butter or shortening. Brush them lightly with egg wash for even browning, then cover with cling wrap, and paasahin natin ulit for around 15 to 20 minutes. Then, bake na natin sila sa preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes or until maging golden brown yung color. Sobrang bango nito after baking, amoy na amoy yung aroma ng butter and cinnamon, and habang mainit-init pa, spread na natin on top yung ating ginawang cream cheese frosting kanina. And that's it! Enjoy your homemade cinnamon rolls!